So a little update on my bike. So I had the guy that I actually bought this from knows a lot about wiring. He went to school for it actually. So I had him come over, you know, just give him a few cases of beer and he's all right with that. He got this all figured out, but right now what I have to do is actually I have to make an electronics tray. So I went to Lowe's today and I got this giant thing, L bracket basically, just a aluminum angle, and I'm going to make a nice looking piece that's sort of flush right here, but it's going to have a hole somewhere in there to bolts right there and there, and then hopefully I'm going to get a nice sized battery that will fit in there. So far, I have made an electronics box. Mastermind behind it all.
My head hurts. Give it the gas outlet there and spin a little bit down in one of these.
Is there a choke somewhere? Yeah. He's working it. Full choke.
Alright, give the battery a rest. It said give it a rest. Yep. Yep, give it one more burp with the fuel, and you might even have to keep squirting it. Okay, so we can trace all the wires, get that all finished up. Where was that fuel coming out of when we sprayed it? Yeah. Yep. Either that or yeah. I didn't know if it was leaking out of the seals of the bowl of it or what. We gotta get that on a tender. That battery. He's got a special one to see right over there, yeah. We borrowed that from our other buddy. But I can't find the other fucking. I have another clip for that tender, but I can't find the end of it. Yeah, let's take the different end of it.
I do ever, you know, hit this with my tire, it should be clearing it so it shouldn't stab it either.